Hello everyone and welcome to another grammar tutorial by Sohal Study Circle. आज हम बात करेंगे conjunctions के बारे में, but before moving on, it's my humble request you to subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already. For daily feeds, go to Instagram and Facebook and follow us there. आप वहाँ जाके भी हमको फॉलो कर सकते हैं अपनी डेली इंग्लिश से रिलेटेड फीड्स और अपडेट्स के लिए. So let's begin with the tutorial now. आज का हमारा टॉपिक रहेगा व्हाट आर कंजंक्शंस. कंजंक्शंस क्या होते हैं, कितने तरह के होते हैं एंड हाउ डज दे फंक्शन, कैसे वर्क करते हैं. So let's move on. Conjunctions, they are also called joining words or linking words because ये वो words हैं जो sentences को, phrases को आपस में जोड़ने का, connect करने का काम करते हैं. That is why इनको हम joining words या linking words भी कहते हैं. A conjunction is a word or a group of words used for joining words or groups of words together. एक group of word या कुछ वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करने के लिए जो वर्ड्स यूज होते हैं उनको हम कंजंक्शंस कहते हैं. और कुछ कंजंक्शंस जो हैं दे वर्क इन पेयर्स, वो भी ग्रुप में काम करते हैं, उनको हम कोरिलेटिव्स कहते हैं. ये सारे पॉइंट्स हम धीरे धीरे डिस्कस करेंगे विद एग्जांपल्स, तो आपको और भी अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएगा. Thus, a conjunction links one word to another word. एक वर्ड को दूसरे वर्ड के साथ कनेक्ट करते हैं. They connect one word to a group of words. Also, two groups of words. दो complete independent groups of words हैं, उनको भी आपस में जो जोड़ता है उसको हम conjunctions कहते हैं. Let's see the main points again. Joining words और linking words इनको हम कहते हैं. They are used for joining words or group of words together, and some conjunctions they work in pairs. So conjunction links one word to another word. They link one word to a group of words, and it also links two groups of words. So पहले देखते हैं how does a conjunction joins one word to another word. Some conjunctions connect one word to another in a sentence. एक sentence में ही या फिर independently भी एक वर्ड को दूसरे वर्ड के साथ कनेक्ट करने के लिए हम कंजंक्शंस का यूज करते हैं. लेट्स सी. These words can be nouns, these can be pronouns, adjectives, verbs and adverbs, etc. Let's see some examples. Eat or read. Don't do both at the same time. यहाँ पे हमने देखा eat और read, they are connected by the conjunction or. I love sweet and sour soup. Sweet and sour both are different words और इनको आपस में connect कर रहा है word and. So or and are the conjunctions. Here they are linking two separate words. Moving on to the second case where a conjunction works or joins one word to a group of words. जब एक conjunction एक वर्ड को बाकी ग्रुप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स या बाकी सेंटेंस के साथ ज्वाइन करता है. एग्जाम्पल्स. सच वॉज हर वर्क दैट एवरीबडी लव्ड हर. यहाँ पे जो वर्ड है एवरीबडी लव्ड हर, ये कंप्लीट सेंटेंस है. इस सेंटेंस को बाकी ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स सच वॉज हर वर्क इनके साथ कनेक्ट कर रहा है एक वर्ड दैट इज दैट. It rained so heavily that the river was flooded. और जो यहाँ पे word that है, it is also connecting heavily को river was flooded के साथ इनको connect कर रहा है. और first sentence में उसका काम कैसा था, उसको बाकी words जैसे everybody loved her उसके साथ connect वो कर रहा है. And the third case is when conjunction joins two groups of words. जब एक conjunction एक word दो separate groups of words को, दो separate phrases को आप बोल सकते हैं, join करता है, then it also is called a conjunction as well. Let's see examples. My sister says that her book is lost. यहाँ पे my sister says एक अलग ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड है, her book is lost एक अलग ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड है. इन दोनों को ज्वाइन कर रहा है वर्ड that. The milk will spoil if it is not refrigerated, sorry. So इसमें the milk will spoil एक ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स है, it is not refrigerated और इस कंडीशन को हम कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं with the word if. So here if is working as a conjunction. You can go to play provided you clean your room. Again here the word provided is working as a conjunction which is linking the two groups of word. You can go to play, you clean your room. So all these two groups of words is connected by provided. Moving on, now we will discuss about correlatives. ये हमने पहले भी रेफर किया था कि sometimes conjunctions work in groups या दो या तीन वर्ड्स मिला के एक कंजंक्शन बनती हैं, उनको हम correlatives कहते हैं. Let's see discuss them now. Correlatives. Sometimes conjunctions go in pairs. They are called correlatives. For example, as soon as, hardly when, else than, rather than, so that, such that, either or, both and. Matlab, these are some of the examples. There are many more examples. These are commonly used ones. Examples. He not only made dinner but also took us to the garden. No sooner had the train arrived than he was rushed into the ambulance. So that's all for today, everybody. Today we discussed about the conjunctions and how they work, and also we talked about the correlatives types of the conjunction that go in pairs. So for the next time, we'll meet again. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial, everybody, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get the latest update as soon as a video is uploaded. Thank you.